Respected viewers, this is Professor G. Raj Kumar, Assistant Professor, PG Department of Commerce, Sacred Arts College Autonomous, Tirupattur. This is lesson number 2 in Managerial Economics. In this particular video, we will discuss two important topics in Managerial Economics. What are those two important topics? The very first one, nature of managerial economics. The second one, scope of managerial economics. After watching this video, you will understand them, nature of managerial economics and scope of managerial economics. We start the lesson with the nature of managerial economics. What are the nature of managerial economics? The very first one, managerial economics is a science. Why? Because managerial economics theory, principles, tools, strategies are already proved by veteran or pioneers of economics. It is already proved in the relevant field scientifically, since it is a scientific economics. The second one, managerial economics is an art. Why? Because like to learn dance, to learn singing, to learn drawing, it needs skill, it needs capability, it needs ability to learn them. In that way, to learn managerial economics, the economist must have the skill. The economist must have the ability to learn the strategy of managerial economics or principles of managerial economics or theories of managerial economics, and then apply to the real problem, apply to the real or relevant problem to solve the problem. So managerial economics is an art because the economist must have the ability to learn, and he must have the ability to learn the managerial economics and apply to the relevant problem. So it is an art of learning. It is an art of learning. The third one, managerial economics for administration of organization. Of course, as I said earlier in the previous video, managerial economics meant for the management, not for the employee. It helps the management to take the right decision in order to make the company profitable. So it is mainly meant for the management, not for the employee. The fourth one, managerial economics is helpful in optimum resource allocation. Of course, economist or the manager, with the help of the managerial economics, they will allocate the resources sufficiently to the each requirement. Managerial economics provides tools, techniques to allot the resources sufficiently to each requirement. As we know already, the company, firm or industry will have the limited resources or scarce resources. So it is very important to allocate the resources sufficiently to each requirement. To allocate the resources sufficiently, the managerial economics will help in allocation of resources to each requirement sufficiently. The fifth one, managerial economics as component of microeconomics. Of course, since managerial economics deals with individual company, firm and the industry, it is micro in nature. It studies the individuals, it studies the behavior of individual company, firm and industry. It mainly, or it is essentially micro in nature. So managerial economics as the component of microeconomics. The sixth one, managerial economics as components of macroeconomic. Of course, managerial economics, it is essentially micro in nature, and it will have an impact of macroeconomics. Microeconomics will have sometime impact of macroeconomics. Say for example, any external factor of an organization will affect them microeconomics. Say for example, government wage policy, taxation policy, or anti-monopoly policy, so on. There are many external forces which will affect the microeconomics. So normally microeconomic will have an impact of macroeconomics or external factors of an organization. So managerial economics, it is essentially micro in nature, but sometimes it will have an impact of macroeconomics. The seventh one, managerial economics is dynamic in nature. Managerial economics is dynamic in nature. Yes, of course, managerial economics is a dynamic tool to solve the problem. It solves the problem in all aspect of business. In all aspect of business, it gives the tool or technique to solve the problem which occurs in the firm. So it is dynamic in nature. It is solves the problem in all aspects. In all aspects. So it is dynamic in nature. This is it. These are the nature of managerial economics. Let's move to the second topic. Scope of managerial economics. So what are the scopes are there in managerial economics? By studying managerial economics, what are the things we are going to learn? Or what is the use of managerial economics to the industrialist? Or what are the areas we are going to cover in managerial economics? Or what are the areas we will understand by studying managerial economics? The very first one, it analyzes the demand and forecasting. Of course, managerial economics helps to find out the demand of firm or industry or company for the product. It helps to calculate the exact demand of the product among the people. So it helps to find out the exact demand of the product currently or at presently. And also managerial economics helps to forecast the demand. Not only it calculates the present demand or current demand, but also it predicts the future demand in order to meet the demand with the supply. So always the industry will have the focus on meeting them demand with the supply. There must be sufficient supply to meet the demand. So managerial economics provides tools, or it gives them strategy to find out the demand of the product, and also it provides them tools to find out or forecast the demand in the future. So not only the present demand but also the future demand. The second one, managerial economics helps to find out the cost of production or to minimize the cost. It helps in various ways. It's very important to reduce the cost of the economy. So there is a separate textbook called cost accounting, through which the economist or students or businessmen will understand the way to reduce the cost. It is very essential to reduce the cost. When we reduce the cost, automatically the profit will hijack, the profit will soar. So it is very important to reduce the cost. So managerial economics provides tools, techniques to reduce the cost. No companies will have the desire of spending the money extravagantly. Extravagantly. All the companies want to minimize the cost in order to increase the profit. When there is a decrease in the cost, normally there will be a rise in the profit. So managerial economics provides them techniques, tools to reduce the cost. And also managerial economics helps to analyze the production. What the product must be produced, how the product must be produced, in which condition the product must be produced, what is the standard does the product have. All the things will be finalized with the help of the managerial economics. It helps to rejuvenate the product, to innovate the product, or to revamp the product. So managerial economics provides the tool to analyze the production, or manufacture. So by analyzing all of this, the wastages will be minimized. The scrap will be reduced. In the firm or company or industry. The third one, managerial economics helps in pricing decision. It is very important to decide the price. There are numerous pricing methods or numerous pricing. So for example, penetrating pricing, skimming pricing, dual pricing, administrative pricing, or full pricing, so on. There are nearly 26 types of pricings are there. So managerial economics will help them, economist or industrialist or businessman or individual, to decide the exact price for his or her product according to the nature, according to the marketability of the product. It is very important to decide the pricing method. So price, based on the price, the sales will have. So it is very important to fix the price. And the policies, what are the policies they are going to follow in the pricing methods? So managerial economics will help to make the policy, and both will practiced. Managerial economics will make sure to practice pricing decision on the policy in reality. So managerial economics will help in deciding the pricing decision, policies and practices. Fourth one, managerial economics will help to fix the profit or profit management. Of course, all the strategy, all the tools, all the principles, or all the theories are established or experimented for the sake of profit. All the firms, all the companies, they tender for earning profit. Their focal point is, their main aim is to make the company profitable. Their focus or their aim is profit. So managerial economics provides tools, techniques, strategy, theories, principle. This all given by the managerial economics for the sake of making the profit. So managerial economics give the idea, strategy, tools, principles in order to make the company, firm or individual profit or profitability. And finally, managerial economics helps to decide the types of capital. It is very important to decide the types of capital. What type of capital they are going to invest in the business or in the industry. It is very, very important to decide the mix of capital. What kind of capital they are going to fix. Whether they are going with the equity capital, or they want to go with the debt capital, or they want to go with both equity capital and debt capital. Under debt capital there are numerous debt capitals are there. Long term capital, debentures, so on. There are many debt capitals. So it is very important to decide them a mix of capital. Why? Because when the business or industry run with debt capital, the cost of the capital must be paid in terms of interest. So all them things has to be analyzed. So the managerial economics provides techniques or helps to decide the exact capital structure of a company or of a industry of an individual. So managerial economics helps in deciding the appropriate capital for the industry or company. So these are the scope of managerial economics. I hope that the video is useful, and if you have any doubt, kindly drop a message in the chat box. I will clarify your doubts. If you have anything contrary to this video, kindly text me. You are free to text me, or you are free to advise me. Kindly do subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.